In this tutorial, we want to show you how to make a subcategory. Obviously, with annual goals, you would have subcategories like self-management, meal preparation, as well as academic progress. You have career and personal. Another category that might require subcategories is accommodations, where you want to have accommodations for work and for school. So we'll go to, again, this icon, click Make Subcategory, and we're going to say Work, and then we're going to add another subcategory, School. Now, under Work, we should probably customize the icon. We can do that here under Edit. Click, and we could use one of these sample images. Or for John, work is really around food handling, so we're going to do food handling. He's been working at Mod Pizza, and since it's knife skills, accommodations for work, so now we have a nice customized icon that represents work. And let's, in the next tutorial, add an accommodation for his employment.